This 52-minute digital download called Generations of Change will show ye the changes that have taken place round about Benahee in Aberdeenshire.
Some of our ancestors were the Picts. Royalty like Robert the Bruce fast spent time in Halforest Castle Kintore. Hello, Fitlike. My name is Don Carney. I was brought up in this farm called Drumnaheath, Lay Lodge, Kintore in Aberdeenshire. There was also 4 other generations of Carneys afore me at this place. This aerial photograph was taken in 1964 and it shows you who the place was then. I will use this aerial photograph to show you all the changes that's taken place in bed and thatched houses. The fire was in the middle with nail lum. The simple home furniture and utensils sat in the earthen flare. What they had to do was to clear the natural ground. The tools used consisted of a bream dog. The jaws would grip the bream trunk and pull the bream out by the reed. Top divot was taken off after the bream was cleared. Once the trench was dug, the grass divots were placed in the trench to help to fertilise the ground. For there was a lot of stains in the ground, the stains were bigot into big consumption dykes like this one at Kingswales in Aberdeenshire. The few beasts that they could nae keep and feed over winter had to be sold at the border market towns. The drovers walked the cattle from Aberdeenshire down to Lanark. So let's look at what the farm would have looked like when this traditional U-shaped stading was bigot round about the 1850s. By the time these stadings were bigot, cattle could no be kept over winter, as neeps and hay were being grown. Clachans and villages were formed far and fan. There was enough work for different specialists to exist. Tinkies would bide in tents on the farm. These tinkies made a valuable contribution to rural life. The wise of farming tried to fit in with nature. The first addition to the original stading was the cattle court. The little end of the byre at Drumnaheath was where we kept the milk cow and the young calves. The big end of our double byre was where the fattening beasts were kept. The nowt got their neeps either out of a skull like this or out of a barra. Round about mid-May the nowt would go out to the grass. We used to keep all the orals for the house, cabbage leaves, spare hen's pot, and feed all that to the pigs. Each Saturday we had to thrash half a rock. The shares were forked to the feeder in the mill, and the stray come out over the shackers at the other end. One of the first cars to come to Drumnaheath was the Ford. Eggs were a valuable commodity. You couldn't use them all, so they were usually bartered for earrings with the vans that came in about to the farm. There had been 2 Clydesdales, an Ora beast, 2 foals and a gig horse, 30 sheep, and the rooster that would waken you up every morning. Change is our ruinous, and is a natural thing. The sign to Drumnaheath has changed. As each generation looks back to their past to get a direction for their future, nae doubt here in Aberdeenshire, Benahee will see an awful lot more generations of change over the next 300 years.